Right, all right. We are live here. All right. Hello, everyone. Um, yeah. Am I frozen again or I'm there?
Yes, yes,
You're frozen again.
you are.
Oh my God. Okay. I don't understand, but okay, let me just see this. I just wanted to tell a couple of things. If you are a stay-at-home mom, hello everybody. We are back again with our team to talk about amazing topic like how stay-at-home moms can build this business, even having but little pocket of time. Let's say about 30 minutes or 60 minutes or whatever time we have. So that is our topic for this week with our team. And then I just want to ask you guys one question like, are you a stay-at-home mom who ever, thought that I wish I could contribute, financially, but I don't have that time, right? I just don't have that time. Or maybe you're just wondering, is it even possible to build something of my own from my home, right? So if you have these questions, because the truth is, so many moms, right? We just feel the same way, like how you're all feeling. We also feel the same way. So you're managing the home, the kids and everything. We are doing everything, but then somewhere in between, we are like, we have our own goals, right? We have to we just push those goals aside. So, but what today, if I told you that there are moms just like you, right, who are building that income in just that pocket of time, say about 30 minutes or 60 minutes a day, without, going back to your 9 to 5 job, if, right? And without needing or need any prior experience to do this business. So that is exactly, why we are talking about today, how stay-at-home moms, are creating that income in that small pockets of time and how you can do. And before I could dive in, you guys can comment, mom, if you're wishing, live or the replay. And I would like to know who is here. And yes, just to share about me, I'm Supriya. I'm originally from India. Currently, we're just living in US for the past 18 years. And I was at a point that when everything looked fine on the outside, right? But I knew I wanted that more flexibility. I wanted that control over the time, like how many moms I kept thinking, right? That is when I don't even know where I wanted to start, and do I have really have an experience to grow the businesses like that? But I still kept on exploring, and doing that. And finally, I found the business. I got a big clue to this business. That is when I just came across this business, a simple way how we can build that business online without over complicating this, right? Many of moms that we believe that we don't have the time. We no, I'm not tech savvy. I don't need an experience. But what I have seen is, they are not the real barriers for us, right? If you want to do something, what actually matters is you need to have the simple system, right? You need to have that small pockets of time that you have the time consistently and be willing to open, right? To learn on something new. So these are all the things that we just need. If you're have that, you're good to go. Okay. So here, how many stay-at-home moms, we are doing this in just 30 to 16 minutes of a day doing this business. Right, we follow the simple system. We just use those tools. We learn. We use those tools to do, and most of the heavy, work has been done through these tools that we, in our business. So it's not doing about more, it is of doing the right things for us, right? So um, just imagine that you're having something of your own, but you're starting small. And even though if you start small and have that extra income stream that grows over time, you there will be, you'll have more confidence because, right, you're growing internally. You'll develop, you'll have more independence, and you know that you don't have to, sacrifice your family time to build this, right? So I'm here. So I, if you ask me, I just keep on talking, but I'm just so excited today to be here with you all, because if it is not just me sharing, and I have just you know. I have some amazing moms here in our team who are in the different stages of their journey in this business, and why they are, they're just here to share their real experiences with you guys, so that, I know many of the moms can relate to this. So, we're all like everyday moms, just like you all, who start with the same questions, the same doubts as you all will be having it right now. And you're taking that step to build something own. And here you go with our team. And I would like to bring on Vasavi here, or any one of you can go and then you'll share your experiences.
Yeah,
Yeah, here,
sure, sure, Supriya.
back to you guys.
Thank you. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
Vasavi Tumala. I'm from USA, California. I'm originally from India. I have been doing this business from more than a year. The first thing I got attracted is like I was a stay-at-home mom for many years, like continuous 8 years. I was looking for the opportunity that is online, global, and legitimate. And the best thing is like the flexibility. Mornings, there is no rush at all. I no need to take any permission. And I am the boss. I can schedule my days, my time, and even the trainings I can attend with my little one. He's on my lap all the time. Even I can do that. That is the flexibility we have in the business. And the best thing is like the mom guilt. I never had that mom guilt because I can balance both my career and my family, my kids, and I don't miss any milestones. And one more thing I like it is like if my kids are sick or if my kids are at home, I no need to worry about that. I can do both. Kids can stay at home and I can take care of my business and the flexibility. And I'm not just building an income, I'm building a legacy for my kids. That is also one of the tick mark I got. And the best thing is like if you are earning money and still being consistent and helping the family financially and becoming confident version of yourself, that's how I grew. And if you want to be successful in our community, it's like a proven path. It's a success formula. Anybody can learn, earn, and grow stronger. Consistency is the key. So whoever wants to start the business, like a stay at home moms who had a career gap and who had no experience, everybody started from zero here. Nobody knows anything about this business before. So when we started this business, then only we learned everything from the training. We have world class training. That's how we are successful. We are earning money and still taking care of our kids, being present with the family. That's what I want to say. Thank you. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Vasu, for sharing that. I know for sure that a lot of us can relate to your story too. And then, yeah, whoever can go, Latika or Chandana,
Yeah, I
anyone
would.
can just take
Yeah,
over.
okay, I'll go.
Yeah.
So, hello everyone, namaste. My name is Latika. I am originally from India, staying in US for more than 10 years now. Like my teammate Vasavi said, she added a lot of points, and so I don't want to repeat the same thing, but I would like to add a couple of more in. I would like to give more inputs to what she said and what Supriya said. So it's like I am a stay-at-home mom, and I have an infant. She'll be turning 17 months after 2 days. So this business is so flexible that I am right now live, and I'm constantly looking at the monitor that my little kiddo is sleeping. So
Mm.
that is the flexibility which I think all the stay-at-home moms they are looking for.
Yeah.
No stress, like Vasavi mentioned, that even if your kid is sick, you don't have that mom guilt that you are leaving your kid and you are going for a 9 to 5 job, because
Yeah.
yes, so that is the flexibility which we all really admire about this business. And like Supriya mentioned, that with just 30 to 60 minutes a day, it's using a simple online system, training, the tools which we get, and the most important thing I feel is like staying consistent with very small actions, daily actions. So it's not about working more, it's just about working smarter and using your time intentionally.
Yeah.
So I mean, in short, I would say that consistency can truly build something, create something for you in a long term, and you will benefit from that. So that is all I wanted to add. So, I mean, Chandana or Sunita, anybody would like to continue?
Yeah.
Hi, hi everyone. This is Sunita. First of all, I wish you everybody a happy birthday. And I stay in California, USA, with my family. Mm, the reason I start this business is I used to work as a employee in many corporate sectors with having a many roles. After becoming a mom, I decided myself to be present physically all the time with my kids, no matter what it is. I want to be there and I want to see their growth, I want to enjoy their milestones, everything. I want to keep it as a memory, which is further for us as a boost of energy for us to live the life. So that is the main decision I took at that minute. After almost my kids are in a right age now, and after some time being into this path, I'm completely happy being as a full-time mom, staying at home all the time, spending time with the kids, and schedule their classes, taking them, and everything is happy. But over a period of time, I felt like somewhere I'm losing my confidence, somewhere I'm losing my identity. That makes me to think about again about my career, um, twice. And I was looking something online again, keeping the priority as my family and my kids is my main priority. But at the same time, I want to build myself, being whichever I lose, especially the confidence and identity, and some financial help also to the family over a period of time. So at that minute, I was looking some online options, which where I can work from home, completely taking care of the family and balance my work as well as my personal life. At that minute, I was like in a vigorous search of online digital businesses and everything. I was working on many things. One time, I came across an ad of my mentor Vasavi. I saw her ad, and I was like very connected to those that ad, and I was working on with her, and with her help, with her guidance, whatever I am here is again, I felt like my confidence is back being into this business. That I can strongly say that. And this business is very flexible, working. No need to do like a 9 to 5 job. Like you can work on your pocket of time. You can schedule your own own time. You can schedule no permission of anybody. And if you, I'm still enjoying this business. Being into the business, I gain my confidence back, identity back, and at the same time, I could balance my kids' schedule, which is my major priority for being into this business. And one wonderful thing happened a couple of days back. Confidence makes you to move further in the life, whatever may be. It's financial growth, you feel it, and everything you build back. That was happening through this business, and new doors opened for another opportunity for me because of this confidence. This has all happened only because of this business. I can thoroughly say again and again, please, homestay mom, if you're connected with a career gap, any of these points, please, you can just take a decision and step forward, take a first step, and you will think like you did a best decision for your life. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone. This is Chandana. I'm from Arkansas. I'm mom of two. Today topic is how stay-at-home mom actually building income from home. And honestly, I had the same question when I first came across this. I wasn't looking for anything like complicated. I just wanted something flexible that I could do around my kids and my daily routine. What I found is simple online side hustle. I can work on for like 30 to 60 minutes a day, mostly from my phone. The biggest difference here is it's not about selling the product or chasing the people. It's more about learning digital skills, sharing the content, and connecting with others. For me personally, what I love most is a flexibility. I can pause anything, take care of my family, and come back when I have a time. There is no pressure. I can truly work at my own pace. I also wanted to be clear we have a structural business model here. We have training and mentorship and a community that support step by step, especially if you're starting from zero like I did. We can have a structure here. So thank you for giving me opportunity.
All right. So, anybody want to share anything else before we could move forward and close this live?
Yeah, whoever is watching our this live, I just want to say, I want to add one more point. It's just not about the business. I felt like we are a family, and I made best friends, and I never felt alone. Like coming to after starting this business, I never felt alone. And I want to add one more point is like when I started, like I felt like I don't know anything about it. Should maybe do I get any guidance from my mentor or not? Because we expect that, right? We expect that push when we are starting something new. I got that from my mentor. So Supriya is my mentor. So when she is telling like do this, do that, I felt like she is my mother. See, if my mother says anything, we just do it. We don't complain, right? I just want to add this point. I always felt like she is guiding me, and I trusted her completely because she's already into the business. She has been successful, and she is telling me the path how to be successful. I just followed her, and I was able to be successful. That's what. Thank you, Supriya.
Yeah, thank you so much for Vasavi, for those kind words. And yeah, we have here Kavita. Thank you, Kavita, for tuning in, and welcome back. I know you had a India trip, and then good to see you again. And
Yeah,
thank you
we,
so
we
much for tuning. Yeah,
Yes, yeah, we can
thank you.
travel also. We can travel. We can take our business anywhere in the world. She has been to India. Kavita, she's our teammate. She traveled, but she's still doing the business. That is a flexibility we have, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
I agree with Vasavi. Whatever she said was like 100% correct. I myself can see the difference before being a homestay mom and having a career gap and getting back to the again into the connecting world. This business helped me a lot, where we are introduced to the global community with wonderful mentor and wonderful coach. As my coach is Supriya and my mentor is Vasavi, both are here. I'm so happy to be part of this team. Especially they are always like just in seconds, if you have any doubt, not even any other training, we get this opportunity to get back our questions cleared immediately. We have to wait for the time, or we have to go for the another question to prepare and get the answer and then prepare. But in this training, immediately my coach as well as my mentor, they responds for your questions, and there you can work easily without any wasting of time. With your pocket of time, you can prepare well in the training session too. That's what I want to share at this minute. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sunita, for sharing your thoughts. Absolutely, this is like, we're all here to, this business, you don't have to figure it all alone, right? You just have your mentorship and coaching for the lifetime. And anytime you're stuck, and you have a huge community support, right, where we build this business with mutual respect, with integrity. So that is what I love about this, because I have done so many other businesses. I've never come across this kind of community anywhere. It's very, very important, right?
Absolutely.
You can do many businesses, you can shell out a lot of time, money, and effort, but you need a good support, right? And that support, you'll find, you're not just the support, right? That mutual respect is always giving, right? it's very important. I have never seen that kind of, you know, community anywhere. So that's why we build this business with guilt free. You know, we might tell you everything in and out, but there's a process to follow, right? Once you follow that process, and then you'll get to know everything. You're not going to shell out a single pie out of your pocket, you know, without knowing the information. So absolutely, this is anybody, any moms who are watching this, you know, live, or this going to watch this replay. Okay, if it is something that you're looking for, reach out to any one of us, because if you're just thinking about it and you wanted to see how this actually works, you know, or the step by step, right? You can comment start, or you can send us a message. So we'll be happy to share that details with you guys, and we'll happy to see you guys inside. And you know, you can share, and you just feel free to, you know, there's a lot of moms out there who will be looking out, right, for this kind of a side hustle that fits to their um, life. So share it to them, you know, another mom who need to say this. That would be a great helpful, and they'll thank you later. And one more thing that I wanted to say is, you don't need to, you know, as we said, we don't need to figure it out anything over in this business, right? You have a mentor, you have a coaching, as I said, a community support. You just need to be open, willingness to learn, and you know, you bring that to the table. Okay, and then everything will be taken care of, because you have a step by step, you know, video based training. You can blindly follow that, and our system is proven, and a lot of heavy work has been done for you, right? And then what else you need for, you know, to succeed? You know, I never found anything like this out there among all those 7 businesses that I've done. What we have here is a gold mine. And if you are a stay-at-home mom, you have a toddler, you have a just a newborn baby, because a lot of people build this business in our community when they were on the maternity leave, right? They did not have gone back to the 9 to 5 job because of this opportunity. Just see, you know, how well people are doing it, and they're growing not just income wise, they're growing personally very well. You know, the families, you know, just so happy at the end of the day, right? That's what we want. We want to lead a peaceful and happy, because there's only one life, right? So I don't want to take much of the time. And then if you're all watching this live, or you're watching this replay, you know, make sure to reach out to us if something that hits you guys, right? Because all of our moms here, we shared our thoughts over here, but now it's up to you, you know, how you guys, you know, just, you know, connect with one of us, and we'll be very happy to see you guys. We can't wait to welcome. And you need to, you know, as I said, we don't have to figure it out everything, because you just have everything for you to succeed. All that is, you just have to willingness to learn and implement it. Okay, with
I
that,
would just like to add one point. Since we all are stay-at-home moms, and the flexibility which the business gives all of us, we are not in a way, it's stress-free. So if you're stress-free, you're happy, you're healthy
yeah,
mentally and physically, which is so important. If your health doesn't permit you, you will not be able to do anything. And at the same time, you don't compromise on food, because one of our teammates, Vasavi, she keeps sharing the good healthy stuff which she's
Yes,
preparing every day. So
yes,
it's not like at the back of our mind we are like, okay, we are running late for our work, and we just eat anything and everything. We just give our kids anything. So that guilt is also not there. We are making fresh, good food for our family.
yes.
So that is equally important to stay healthy. Yeah.
True. I agree. I agree with Latika.
Yes, here.
Because especially my kids, the food has to be very hot. They don't like the cold food and all. And I make like 3 times in a day, and I'm very happy about it. Right? Yeah.
Yeah. My
yeah,
daughter
that is
is
what.
foodie at this age, and
Oh,
I keep checking recipes every day.
right.
That's nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is what it is, right? You know, end of the day, being available for the family, for the
Yep.
kids, and you know, giving them those hot meals. I don't, you know, especially when you come to country, like, because we got used to India eating those 3 fresh meals. You know,
Right.
after coming here, you know, sometimes we stored the food even for a week, and then eat. And you
Yeah.
know, now that we have that time, right? It's just see, you just have that. It's still so flexible, and and at the same time, you earn so much. People been earning in our community 4 to 5 figures, and some of them are even earning 6 figure incomes. It is huge, right? With That's what I just love about this business. Just be yourself. You don't have to overcomplicate things. The system is simple. A lot of heavy work has been done for you. You have a coaching and mentorship with a huge community support, with mutual respect, and we build this business with integrity. Where else can we you find this kind of, you will understand once you come in what we talk about. Until then, it's just going to be hishy fishy for you guys. So if it is something, you guys, it hits you guys, and then send us a message, and we'll be happy to help you out and give you all the details that is required, and then see it for yourself if it is something that you would like to do or not. Right? Otherwise, there's nothing to lose. At least you made an attempt to, right,
Right. Yes.
explore. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, right. With that, we will see you again in other 2 weeks. And until then, bye for now. And thank you for
Bye.
tuning
Thank you,
in.
everyone.
Everyone. Good
Yeah,
evening.
thank you guys.
Thank you.